Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make chicken quesadillas. We need 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs, bell peppers, fajita mix, 1 large onion, big onion, shredded cheese, and olive oil, and salt and pepper. And the most important, the flour tortillas or corn tortillas. To assemble the quesadillas, in a preheated cast iron pan, put a little bit of butter and put your first layer of tortilla wrap. This one is corn tortillas. We can also use flour tortillas or any tortillas that you want to, that your favorite. Put a generous amount of blended cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and Monterey Jack cheese. Layer your chicken and your vegetables on top of the cheese. Then put more layers of cheese on top of the meat. Then put your cover tortillas on top and press it a little bit, and then you can flip it over, and so we can fry the other side of our quesadillas. We're having a cookout, so we finished the quesadillas on the grill, so they are gonna be warm when we eat them. Thanks for watching.